Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we'll be looking at how to multiply and divide fractions, and this is following our previous video where we looked at how to add and subtract fractions. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe below. With that said, let's get right into this week's video. We will first look at multiplying a fraction, two fractions. So if we have 2/3 multiplied by 5/8, then all we need to do is multiply our numerators and multiply our denominators. In that case, we'll have 2 times 5, which gives us 10, and 3 times 8, which gives us 24. So our fraction is 10/24. And obviously we will need to simplify this to its simplest form. So we can simplify 10 by 2. So we have 2 into 10 gives us 5, and then 2 into 24 gives us 12. So our new fraction is 5 divided by 12. And that is our answer because it cannot be simplified any further. Also, when it comes to multiplying fractions, our denominators, whether our denominators are the same or it's different, it's the same principle. So we multiply our numerators together and we multiply our denominators together. When dividing fractions now, using the example 8/10, divided by 2/5, then we're going to use the method of changing the signs and flipping or upturning one of the fractions. I usually like to upturn the second fraction, but you can decide to upturn the first fraction. It's the same thing, but be cautious of not upturning both of the fractions, okay? So using that method of changing the sign, so we're going to have 8/10. Changing the sign, we now have multiplying. So we're going to change the sign from a division to multiplying. And then we're going to flip the second fraction, which is going to be 5/2. And then we work it as if we were multiplying the fraction, because we are multiplying the fractions now. So we're going to have 8 times 5, which gives us 40. And then we have 10 multiplied by 2, which gives us 20. We can cancel out the zeros from here on to simplify our fraction. So now we have 4/2, and we can simplify that by dividing both of the fractions by 2. So we have 2 into 2 gives us 1, and 2 into 4 goes 2 times. So our answer is 2. And that is how we divide and multiply fractions. When dividing fractions, remember to use the method of changing the signs and upturning one of the fractions and not both of the fractions. This brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't done so before, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and be safe.